All right, ladies and gentlemen. So Jupiter transit is happening tomorrow. That is on 20th November 2020. Jupiter is transiting into Capricorn from Sagittarius. He was in Sagittarius for the last 1 year, and he was so powerful because Jupiter's its own strength. Jupiter gains its own strength in the Sagittarius, and now he is stepping into the Capricorn. That is tomorrow. That is 20th November 2020. And also, you guys already know that Saturn is already placed in Capricorn. Saturn transit is already happening in Capricorn, and Capricorn is all about opportunities. Capricorn is the natural zodiac, natural 10th house of zodiac. Okay, and the lord of the 10th is Saturn, and Saturn is already in Capricorn. So this Jupiter is co-joined with Saturn in Capricorn from tomorrow onwards for next 12 months. Okay, so this is the very good sign for getting new opportunities and also revitalizing your energy. So you'll be charged up with the Jupiter's positiveness already. Jupiter, you know that he is debilitated in Capricorn, but this is really positive sign. The reason being the debilitation is cancelled as Jupiter is getting co-joined with Saturn, and Saturn is the lord of 10th house, that is Capricorn. And as Jupiter is already there, the debilitation effects of Jupiter is cancelled. Okay, and this is really a good sign for you to explore new opportunities and also to attract abundance and prosperity. Jupiter is also planet of relationships, so you can maintain very good business relationships and also very good business partnerships. And Jupiter is also planet of good fortune. So the people who are into the work area, so you guys will be getting so many opportunities with the blessings of Jupiter. And most importantly, Jupiter is the Karaka for speech as well. So you can improve your communication skills, you can improve your business partner relationships, or also if at all you are finding solution for long pending issues, this is the right time because Jupiter is gaining its strength with co-joint Saturn. All right. So do watch other videos so that you will be knowing more about Jupiter transit. And there are a lot of videos coming up, and also I have made some videos on Jupiter transit to Capricorn for each zodiac sign around 2 weeks back in my YouTube channel. Please do browse for those videos and do watch them as well and make understand about what exactly happening for your zodiac sign, because this is just a general astrology that I'm speaking. So pertaining to your birth chart, we got to see where exactly Jupiter is sitting for you. Is it strength? Jupiter is strong for you, or Jupiter is weaker for you? So all those things has to be referred before coming into a conclusion that whether Jupiter will be giving a positive blessing or a negative blessing for you. So do book for the Jupiter transit report. The link is mentioned in the description section of this video. So please check the link and book for the Jupiter transit consultation. The link is mentioned in the description section so that I can able to provide you the complete analysis, complete 12 months analysis in terms of how Jupiter is going to be benefiting you for this transit. Okay, so do book for the consultation. Let me see you in the consultation. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if at all you are watching this video for the first time, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on that like symbol. Click on that like if at all you love this video, and do mention in the comment section what exactly you loved from this video, what exactly you learned from this video. So please do let me know in the comment section, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon next to subscribe button. If at all, if I upload any new videos, you'll be notified. All right. So thank you so much for accessing, and have a nice day.